Hi everyone, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. One of the reasons I love doing this is that I can present to you some of the hottest topics that are occurring in medicine. And today I'm going to be talking about one such topic, which is the Zika virus. Now I'm sure you've heard a lot about this, and it is very scary because what it seems to be causing is abnormality in newborn children, something called microcephalus. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Before I start, I just want to clear up what a virus is, because I find that there's a lot of confusion between viruses and bacterias and things like that. A bacteria is actually a living organism that has many different components, almost like, not a heart, but it moves and it uses energy. A virus is nothing more than a simple strand of DNA that's covered in a protein shell, like this demonstrates. And the thing about a virus is that it cannot make more viruses by itself. It needs a host in order to replicate. For example, hepatitis C virus uses the liver. The meningitis virus uses brain cells. The HIV virus uses T cells. And the Zika virus appears to infect people, and for whatever reason, it probably is affecting the fetus of the mother more than anything else. Now listen, the Zika virus is nothing new. It's been around for years, but we thought it was a very mild virus that only caused symptoms in 20% of the people. And the symptoms that people were exhibiting were mild symptoms, like something you get with a flu, body aches, pains, low-grade fevers. But something has changed. In Brazil, in a normal year, there are approximately 160 cases of microcephalus, which means children born with a small head. In the past 6 months, there have been 4,000 cases. And many of these children and the mothers have been found to have the Zika virus in their blood. And this is a pretty causal relationship. So we think that the Zika virus is probably causing a lot of this microcephalus. And that is the cause for alarm. Because right now in South America, it's summer. And the Zika virus loves to live in warm, moist climates. It's actually carried from person to person by a mosquito that also causes other diseases like yellow fever or dengue fever. Our concern is that as the seasons change and as the climate is changing, and yes, there is such a thing as climate change, and now this year with El Nino, the northern hemisphere where we live may be warmer and more moist than usual, which is a completely positive breeding ground for this mosquito that carries Zika. So, what are the symptoms of Zika virus? Usually nothing. Like I said, just mild fevers. But if you have gone to an area in the Americas, usually Central America, Mexico, South America, then you really need to be checked for Zika virus. Brazil seems to be the hotbed right now. So if you are a woman of childbearing age and thinking of going to one of these areas, please talk to your physician to see if this is something that you want to do. If you've been there and might have symptoms, come back and see if you've been exposed. Go to your doctor, because there is no cure for the Zika virus. There is no treatment for the Zika virus. And at this time, there is no vaccine for the Zika virus. So if you want to know more, go to drjorge.com, where we'll be showing this video. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, be informed, be careful, and stay healthy. See you next week.